Hi everyone. I wanted to do another really quick thrift haul. This is over a couple of different times here, and I really need my table back so I can finish filming 2 different videos for y'all. So let's just jump in. I got a 4-pack of little cutting boards, charcuterie boards, whatever you want to call them. I plan to upcycle these most likely, you guys. I won't lie. And then I have 2 of these birds. They're so chubby and cute and sweet. They are getting upcycled today. I have this cute little piggy planter, cement. I'm just going to clean him up because he does have some scratches and stuff on him, but he's going to be as is. I got a jumbo deck of playing cards along with these cursive alphabet cards. These will probably be whatnot items because they are great for ephemera. So that is probably how I'm going to probably split them up and do random draws from them. Guys, it's messy in here and I really need to get more done. Okay, I got some books. So we went and we got, went to Goodwill bins, and I got these 3. Well, 3 of them anyways were $1/4 a piece, and then the other 2 I paid the full Goodwill price for because there's a Goodwill attached to the bins there. And I found 2 of them at the Goodwill, 3 of them at the bins. I loved them. The red one here is taped up, but it's also, so we've got a good deckled edge, and this is the Made of France. It had some amazing artwork, and that's one of the reasons that we grabbed it. Oops, there we go. And it is from 1909. So I grabbed that one. You guys, I also grabbed this chenille blanket. This is crib size. I'm going to upcycle it. Don't be mad at me. I'm going to upcycle this. So watch for a video on that. I also got this book for in my booth. Good coffee table book. And then this one I got for me. I'm working on a new junk journal. My other one, I don't know. I don't know how to describe it, but I'm ready for a new one. And this is my new one. I'm going to make this into a junk journal for me. And then we got this set of jars with a little carrier. These sell super well. I love upcycling these jars, so they may get a makeover. I have not decided yet. And then I have some items that we went antiquing yesterday, me and the hubby. And I have some of these items are from the last time me and him went, and we left a bag of it. We used his sister's car for an appointment, and my hubby's car, my sister-in-law's car for an appointment, and I left some of the stuff in her car. So I'm going to try to show you those items first, and then I'll show you the rest of the items that we got yesterday. And if I sneeze, you guys, I can tell spring's coming in because my allergies are acting up. First thing we have is this Barbasol jar. Obviously, probably for some shave cream. This little jar I may end up keeping. It is so thin and delicate. And when I bought it, it said that it was from the late 1800s. So I may end up keeping that one. We got a little ink well. I love the little jars like this, and they do tend to sell very well for me on Whatnot. And then we've got this little Art Deco style. Love that one. And then these 2 are big ink wells. They're Stanfords. Look at that one. Love them. And then this one, which probably had a stopper of some sort at one point. I'm not sure if it's an inkwell. It's the same size as them. It kind of has the look of them. Other than this part here, I'm not sure. But I grabbed that. So those were all left in his sister's car. And then yesterday we got those books I showed you, the chenille, and then I already put a few things in my own personal stash. I found a flower frog that was like carnival glass. Larry almost fell in the washing machine, y'all. Lair, are you okay? Are you okay? Yes. Anyways, I kept that, and then I had like a flower frog that was like the metal grate kind of looking thing, and I have that, and I already put them out in my Hoosier because I knew I was keeping those. So first thing we have is this thing of tacks. I just love the container. It is full. I just love the look of this sitting like this on a shelf. I think it'd be beautiful. So grabbed that. Grabbed this little cosmetic makeup jar with the lid. I love it. You guys, that little flat low, you can put something else on top of it. Actually, this would look really cute with a flower frog on top of it, a smaller one. Super cute. And then I got these little tartlet pans. I got some good stacks of them. I've been out for a while. I personally use these to upcycle into magnets. I think I have some down here. I gotta move something. Oh, yep, I do. And my hair is crazy today, y'all. I don't know what's going on with it. So this isn't kind of what I like to do with them. So we got some of those. Plus I like to sell them on Whatnot as well. I got a beautiful little brass bell. Original clapper in there. It's great. I've got 4 of these. They call them knobs. They're not, because they're 2 different sizes. They're some sort of a finial. I plan to remove the screw from these most likely. Paint these with some chippy milk paint and put them in a bowl because they look amazing like that. Got this really thick, beautiful flower frog. No chips. Could use like a soak in some Alka-Seltzer to get some of the gunk off. And then, oh, this beautiful little white pitcher. There's no markings on the bottom. And then we got some doorknobs. So these 2 have some amazing crackle. I don't know if you, oh yeah, you can. Look at that. So I like to style these up. I don't have the greenery in here. It's in my bedroom actually, with some greenery, and then, you know, put them on something. We have these beautiful wooden flat spools, and then I have 2 more of the porcelain whites, and then 1, look at that. I have not checked to see if it glows or anything. I don't even care because it's so pretty. But again, I usually do these the same way. Let me show you. And it's just so stinking pretty. So with greenery or floral coming out. And then last but not least, y'all, you knew I was going to find butter pats because I'm always hunting for them. And hubby actually found some too. So he found this one, and I may end up keeping this. This isn't actually a butter pat. This is just a trinket dish. It's got a lot of texture in it. It's really cool though. And I can't remember, is it Bleak? I can't remember. This does not have markings on the back, and I can't remember what brand it was. I did do a Google search on it, and I don't have it written down, but I did get 2 of these. They're little different. They're both marked the same. They're Theodore Haviland Limoges, and they're beautiful. And then last but not least, and you guys, I may end up keeping these. I haven't decided. I'm kind of obsessed with them. But they are Flow Blue in the Cheswick pattern. They are all marked England. They all are in amazing, amazing condition. I have a set of 4. And I would probably sell, this has still got the sticker on it from what I paid for them. But I probably sell them singly if I do sell them. And that'll probably be on Whatnot, unless somebody makes me an offer I can't refuse privately. Otherwise, these, they're gorgeous, you guys. They're just so stinking pretty. And my husband found a single Flow Blue one at the antique store we're at for almost what I paid for the set of 4. And I paid up for these because I loved them and figured these would go great because they have that blue cast to them. They would go great in my Hoosier cabinet, stacked up. Look at that. Well, no, maybe not that. We definitely need one of them. We need one of our flat spools to set those on with some sort of little greenery in there. It'd be super cute. So that's it, you guys. That's my whole haul. A lot of littles, a lot of things for whatnot. So you guys, I haven't scheduled my whatnot yet. I'm gotta go and take a peek at my brain quit. I have to go take a peek at my calendar so I know what I'm looking at for next week. I've got a lot going on next week. We have extra videos next week, y'all, for my brain just quit. Extra videos for a couple of releases coming out that I'm really, really excited to share with you. I have a collab video coming out with the Sonnets membership group that is going to be so fun. It's all things spring, and there's so many of us. You guys are going to be so inspired and want to go out and create as soon as you can. And I may end up doing a thrift with me. I'm meeting some friends and we are going to be doing some thrifting together, which I'm always excited for. And maybe I'll do, you know, a little bit of videoing if I remember. Usually I'm so caught up in the moment, which is a good thing, to live in the moment and not constantly have your camera out. But I usually get so caught up in the moment, and being with my friends or being with my husband, like yesterday, I didn't get a lot of video. Because we have so much fun doing this together, and he loves hunting for the things I personally collect, which is why we got so many of those and why I found my little carnival glass flower frog. But it's something we enjoy doing together. So I don't always have my camera out, and it is what it is. So, watch for my whatnot auction. I'll make sure to post it over here on YouTube as well as on Facebook. And I'll give you guys enough lead time. So if you see something you want, also you can always reach out to me via email. Everything is always linked below on how to contact us. And I'm always willing to invoice you and ship for you. Thanks for watching, you guys. I know this was kind of quick and kind of like, oof. But I had it all sitting on my work table, and I want to finish up a project, at which I'm so excited to finish this. So I've got a few things for our spring collab video right there. I have 1, 2, and then 3 things that I'm working on for that, and then I'll be done. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you already haven't. Hit that little like button. I know those things, everyone says it, but they really do help us out, and we really appreciate it. Leave a comment. Again, helps out tremendously to get my videos pushed out. So I appreciate that. And we will see you guys all next week for a bunch of fun videos. I can't wait, you guys. It's going to be a good time. And I'll see y'all next week.